Good morning, children. So, in the last video which I have uploaded, sound was not coming, maybe some technical issue was there. So, again, I am uploading this video, that is 7th lesson of Borrower's Sorrow. So, students, this lesson is all about a man, Keshav, who has the habit of continuously borrowing things from the other. So, once his neighbor Parvati decided to give him a lesson. So, let us see. A lazy man named Keshav lived in a village. He did not do much work, so he developed the bad habit of borrowing things from other people. He never cared to return the borrowed things. Will you lend me your lamp? Said Keshav one day to Parvati, his neighbor. Yes, but bring it back tomorrow, said Parvati, and gave it to him. But Keshav did not return the lamp even after so many days. I must teach him a lesson, Parvati said to herself. He borrowed things from people but never returns them. So Parvati spoke to Mrs. Das about it, and Mrs. Das gave her an idea. She told her about a certain Mrs. Sarkar who knew how to make a get back spell. Mrs. Das took Parvati to Mrs. Sarkar, who gave a yellow powder to Parvati and told her to blow it into Keshav's room with certain magical words. Next day, Parvati went near Keshav's window. She blew the powder into his room and recited the magic words. The powder got into everything Keshav had borrowed, and lo, the door flew open, and one by one the item in the room rushed out. The lamp, the ladder, the carpet, the table, the chair, and even the bed. The things came out through the door and went into the owner's house. Keshav stood there helplessly and watched in amazement. All the things have gone out, he cried. My house is now empty. Someone please help me get them back. They are not your things, Keshav, said Parvati. They belong to others. They are things that you borrowed but never returned. So he is a thief, someone shouted. He borrowed things and never returned them. No, I am not a thief, Keshav cried. Listen, Keshav, said Parvati, borrowing is not a good habit, and if you do not return the borrowed things, it is as bad as stealing. It is a dishonesty. Thank you, Parvati, Keshav said. Now I realized my mistake. I am very sorry. So, as I told you earlier, children, this story is about Keshav, who is a habitual borrower. So one day Parvati gave him a nice lesson, and after that he realized that he is having a bad habit of borrowing things from other, which is as bad as stealing things from other, and it is a dishonesty. So children, borrowing things is a bad habit. It is of course not possible to owe everything we need. Sometimes or other we may have to borrow certain things from other people. That way we depend on other people to a great extent for our needs. But that does not mean that we must make it a permanent habit of borrowing. Habitual borrowing is a bad practice. It is a sign of a lazy man. It can also lead one to be dishonest with others properly. Okay, children, so we know that we cannot owe everything whatever in this world. Sometimes we need to borrow things from other people, but that does not mean you will keep that thing. Once you borrow means after the time you have to return it back also. In case of an extreme need to borrow things, we are bound to return it as soon as its use is over. So care must be taken to return the things in good condition. We are also bound in justice to compensate for any loss or damage caused to the item borrowed. So children, if you borrow something from somebody, if any loss, anything happened to that thing, you have to compensate that thing for the loss. Okay. So lending and borrowing is a contract of trust. Person who we are trusting, that only we are giving things to them. If that person break your trust, it is not a good thing. We must never deceive, never cheat a person who has been considerate enough to lend some of his things for our use. We should never betray the trust others have in us. We must be grateful to them and handle those things with care and respect. So in real life, we came across certain people who try to appropriate borrowed things, and it is a cheating. Not returning borrowed things is as bad as stealing. Means if you not return the borrowed things, it is like stealing only. The borrowed items may be big or small, costly or cheap, that matters little. Okay, so the important point is that the borrowed items are another person's property and that belongs to him, so you should try to return that, and it is an appropriate thing, is a crime in the eyes of God. Okay, so whatever the things you borrowed, whether it is a cheap, costly, worth or something else, you have to return it back. Although there may be a need to borrow things once in a while, it must not become a habit within us. Habitual borrowers will end up as a perpetual sorrowers. Okay, children, so habitual borrowing is a bad practice. Remember, this important line is it's a very good chapter. So tomorrow you are going to get question answers of this chapter. Till the time, thank you.